Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
If you're looking for more daily traffic to your offers than you could ever imagine, then I've got some good news for you. We've just gone completely mad. With our new release, Looney Traffic, we're giving away a crazy amount of traffic from 15 different traffic sources every single day. Hi, I'm Dawood Islam, and along with my launch partner, Wayne Thurrow, we've been releasing a series of traffic products over the past 3 years. Each product lets you put any URL of your choice on a brand new rotator from a brand new traffic source. Well, today, in our maddest offer ever, we're going to let you put any URL of your choice on 15 of our traffic rotators. That's right, daily traffic every day from 15 different sources. It includes traffic from our best-selling ever traffic product, Place Your Link 3.0. It includes traffic from our latest traffic rotator, Super 7 traffic. And of course, it includes traffic from our brand new Looney traffic rotator, created specially for this launch, which is currently lying empty and which gets its traffic from yet another brand new high converting traffic source. In total, there are 15 different rotators that your link will appear on for daily traffic, and you can see the full list further down this sales page. Getting started with Looney Traffic is easy. Step 1, pick up a copy of Looney Traffic today before the price goes up. If you delay, you really will pay more. Step 2, send us any URL of your choice to be added to the rotators. And step 3, there is no step 3. Sit back and relax as you enjoy daily traffic from 15 different sources. So don't delay. The brand new rotator is currently lying empty, waiting for your links. Every second you delay in adding your link means that others will get ahead of you in the race for traffic. Those picking up our traffic products at the start of the launch always enjoy a big traffic boost compared to those who join later. So stop what you're doing. You can go back to whatever it was in 5 minutes time, because that is literally all the time it it will take to send us your URL and get set up for ongoing daily traffic every single day. If you can give us 5 minutes, we'll give you unlimited traffic. So grab your link today. We'll see you on the inside.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.